I heard that you are a new daddy again.
Yeah.
Congratulations. So unangakhi manje iviki?
Yeah, uneviki.
Oh
Uneviki
wow.
boy.
Oh man, congratulations.
So
that was the reason you go to have, because of someone once said to me, how are you expecting abantu basekasi to be inspired if you'll prosper and then you leave? The evidence yokuthi it's possible to make it bazoyibona kanjani because of you live with it.
Yeah. As in fact, there was a time when Black Coffee I got to get Orkant, you know.
Yeah.
When he got that side, he said she just realized how toxic the hood is. You know, at that time he said the statement, I think I was a little bit young. I felt offended. I won't lie. You know, I felt offended. Yeah. Until I got a chance to, you see, traveling, na my life band, going to different places. We are born now, no man. Ekasi we are boxed. Ekasi is like a chamber.
Yeah.
To keep poor people poor.
You sound like Trevor Noah. Trevor Noah said, if you don't get a chance to travel, he will always be in that bubble.
Yeah. So traveling and seeing different, because even the music that Bingamba now on my life band, I didn't even know it existed. A gas. Didn't know there's a guy who makes rock music. A gas. And is taking it to our Cape Town, our Durban, because we don't understand it. You know, so so travel changed my mind. And when I came back, I realized it was fuck.
I don't belong
Sise
there.
was there. And like, ngayibona futhi mangiseSoweto, I was like, iSoweto yonke was there.
Yeah.
If you think about it, you understand.
Entitlement. Abantu baba entitled, baba trapped, baba bagcine mina ngithi bayaziconsola, but bona they think that they owning it. When they say mina ngwasekasi ngazalelwa ekasi and ngizofela ekasi mina ngeke ngizoshintsha ngizenze into engasiyiyo.
No man. No. Ukuba sekasi is not you as an African, you know. An African, you should be owning acres of land, having your own cows, your own sheep, your own, you understand? Yeah, planting. There's this philosopher who said the most powerful man is the man that can plant his own food. It's not a philosopher, it's Dr. Uma. Yeah, Dr. Uma said that. Yeah, the most powerful man is the man that can plant his own food. Because once this lockdown, when lockdown started, we ran to the shops. So imagine if we got there and we didn't get the food. You understand?
So, cannibalists.
Yeah. So that's why I think the most powerful man is the man that can make his own food, you know, plant his own food. So when as an African, you were taken from your that royalty.
You were colonized.
Yeah, and brought to a gas. So khumbule phela uqala kwamakasi bekukuthi sifuna abantu abazosebenza eJozi babe seduze neJozi. So instead ukuthi sihlale nabo eJozi asibayenzeleni indawo yabo sibizi Soweto. You understand? And that's how this place started.
But it doesn't mean that you belong there.
Doesn't mean that you belong there.
I like that.
You know, we don't belong at Kasi, man. We might be born there and we might be proud that we're born there. Because I'm really proud about Upuma Ezola and Asiswanevi. You know, I mention that everywhere I go.
Yeah.
You understand? But I know for a fact my great-great-great-grandfather was not from the hood. Yeah, he was taken from his farms and he was brought here. You understand? To work for the white man. You know? So that's what we need to understand about Ikasi. You understand? So Ikasi, yeah, linjalo, man. You know, there's a lot of jealousy and envy. And kahle isn't this fun about slavery, about apartheid? Says mentally. Akusukuthi ziphelile, you know. I feel like say mental, it's a mental game now. You understand? Yeah, it's a mental game which we need to keep them in the hood, you know, give them drugs, give them guns, You understand? Let them kill each other.
And then let's not cut the umbilical cord within their families, because other people, they are scared to leave their families.
Yeah. So ikasi bafethu, we need to be honest about ikasi, man.
It's toxic.
Yeah, it's toxic.
It's not
and
growth.
You realize that once you go, you travel.
I said the other day, you know, it's so crazy because kunalo uSimphiwe wasekasi, uzirholele 10K, unepolo lakhe, ngisande kubiza amajita ababekele red label. Praise. Intwana igrand kamnandi nebeckham yakhe la negumbaza yakhe nyana la abashayele yona. But go out there. Go out there uzobona ukuthi yes sis, you haven't done anything. You haven't done nothing.
Mina unfortunately first year yami ngayenza MGI.
Okay.
And that skela sabo cheese.
Yeah.
You know, I think it's Pearson University now.
Okay.
Abo cheese boy da. So mangifika la ngabona ukuthi no manika sasiphila.
Akuna life.
Ngijutha uzibani bani ne golf edropiwe. Kunentwana eza ngeFerrari klasini. You understand? I want my kids to live that, in fact. I want my kids to, you understand, to have that life, in fact. So if you are too babies and institutionalized, you understand, you think everything is the hood. You know, you need to go out and travel. You know, Kendrick Lamar, he did this album called How to Pimp a Butterfly.
How to Pimp a Butterfly.
Yeah. And he talks about, there's a poem in that album where he talks about how the caterpillar is trapped in the cocoon, and it'll only learn life once it becomes a butterfly and spreads its wings. You understand?
I love that.
Yeah. So I feel like he was talking about us, black people, you know, we are institutionalized, because the same problems we have, ekasi, imzansi, when you listen to hip hop, it's the same problems they have, nada, or can't, you understand? And ekasi bafethu, no, we need to move out.
Let's say Ubanda, the time he was here, we shouldn't be trapped ekasi. Ikasi was meant to be usuke emakhaya uzofuna isipani settle ekasi after then leave tetela abanye akube ne movement.
So akusiyo indawo yokuthi no, you'd say I want to die there. No my king, you know, we are kings and queens, Pella. We shouldn't forget that.
We need to live like royalty.
we have royal blood, sonke mfethu. That's why Unithakazelo.
Yes.
Those are your clan name.
Yes.
I understand.
It defines me. My castle.
Yeah. So you can't have Itagazelo and not come from your royalty.
I love this. I love this.
So basically, sonke zabutaki, we are royal.
I love that.
You understand? We just have to realize that we are royalty, you know. And man. Yeah, we need to outgrow gas.
That's so much. That's so mouthful.